Hello developer! If you collect payments in your Flutter application, this video is for you. Stay tuned. Flutter has become one of the most popular software development toolkits to build multi-platform mobile applications, showing steady growth in adoption among developers year over year. The Pay package was announced during Google I/O 2021 to respond to the needs of developers collecting payments in their Flutter applications. Today, version 3 of the Pay package is graduating to general availability, supporting thousands of payment integrations. Here's a summary of recently added features that we are excited about. The latest version of the plugin adds support for the new Google Pay button, which shows the last 4 digits and an icon for the last card used to pay with Google Pay. This helps your customers identify their cards before completing a payment, which increases conversions in your checkout forms. Note that this doesn't require any code changes on the Flutter end. The plugin also introduced new customization capabilities for all payment buttons, like adjusting the corner roundness, so you can make your checkout interfaces more consistent with the look and feel of your application and provide your users with a more familiar experience when they check out. Explore the changelog at pub.dev/packages/pay to learn more and start updating your payment buttons today. Finally, you can now generate your payment configuration however it's most convenient for you. The payment buttons now take a payment configuration object, which can be created from a local asset if you prefer to keep your payment configuration next to your application code, or a JSON string that you can generate at runtime or fetch from a remote location, for example, your backend servers. Refer to the advanced usage tutorial in the demo to learn more. Using the plugin in your Flutter application is easy. The Pay package features a simplified integration path that lets you add payment buttons directly to your user interface in 3 steps. First, create a payment configuration object for the payment facilitation services you support. Check out the assets folder in the example application to see sample configuration for various payment services. Second, define a list of payment items with their prices to show in your checkout form. And finally, add payment buttons to your user interface, referencing the configuration above. Payment buttons in the Pay package manage their state autonomously and only render on screen if the underlying payment service is available in the platform where the application is run. You can also use the child on error property to show a replacement widget when the payment button is not available. The Pay package continues to simplify the process of adding payment capabilities to Flutter applications supporting Android and iOS. Take a look at the package in pub.dev to see how to integrate it in your application and learn more about the latest changes and features introduced. The Pay package is part of an open source federated plugin hosted in GitHub, where your contributions and feedback are most welcome. Also, join us in the official Google Pay and Wallet community in the payments channel on Discord. See you soon, developer.